Welcome to Learn English with Stories and Heroes. Remember to like and subscribe. My name is Maya, I'm 20, and I live in a city where I study at the university. I share an apartment with my older sister Leah. Our parents died in a car crash when I was 10, so Leah has cared for me like a mother ever since. She's kind, strong, and protective. Leah is also brilliant. She's a history professor at the same university. Leah is married to Dr. Ethan Clark, another professor. He's soft spoken and unfailingly polite, the sort of man everyone respects. People often say, "What a kind gentleman." When Leah and Ethan walk together, they look like the perfect couple. My sister trusts him completely and married him for love. She adores him. But deep down, something about him unsettles me. At times, the way he looks at me feels wrong. I try to dismiss it, but my heart senses that something isn't right. One evening, while I'm sitting on my bed, my phone buzzes. It's a text from Ethan. "You looked beautiful today. I can't stop thinking about you." I freeze, stunned. Maybe he sent it by mistake? I don't reply, yet more messages arrive. "Let's have dinner together." I know you feel the same. Maya. My heart pounds with fear. The next day, he's waiting outside my lecture hall. "You're special, Maya," he murmurs. I hurry away, but then come the flowers, and he starts appearing near my car, shadowing me around campus. "You're young and beautiful. Every time I see you, I fall more in love. I don't just want you, I want forever with you." I run to the restroom and sob. Leah raised me like her own child. I owe her everything. I cannot betray her or break her heart. Yet he corners me again. "You have to love me." "I don't care that you're her sister," he insists. His words make me feel sick and shattered. Eventually, I decide to tell Leah. I'm terrified she won't believe me, but I can't hide it anymore. Through tears and a trembling voice, I try to speak, but she beams with joy and interrupts. "Ethan and I are trying for a baby. We're starting IVF. I hope to be a mom soon." The words stick in my throat. My hands go cold. She trusts him completely. I can't destroy her happiness, so I stay silent, carrying the pain alone. Late one evening, while I'm reading, there's a knock on my door. I open it to find Ethan. "Why are you here?" I ask. "I came to see you, to love you," he replies, eyes roaming over me. "Maya, I love you. You're so beautiful. Please come to me. I'm proud of you." I freeze, trembling. "Get out!" I shout. He steps closer and tries to touch my hand. "Leave now, or I'll call the police!" I scream. He finally backs away. Okay, I'm leaving," he says, and walks out. I lock the door and collapse to the floor, heart racing, tears streaming. I can't sleep that night. I know I must tell Leah the truth. The next day, I go to her house. "Leah, I need to tell you something," I begin. "Please listen. Ethan came over last night. He said he loves me and tried to touch me." Her expression hardens, her eyes redden. "Stop. You're jealous. You want to ruin my marriage?" she snaps. "No, I don't," I plead. I stayed silent for so long, but I have to tell you the truth. "You're not my sister. You're a liar," she shouts. Tears blur my vision. "Please believe me. I did nothing wrong. He's the one who—" Before I can finish, she slaps me. Rage fills her eyes. Then she utters the words that break me completely. "You are dead to me." I try to speak, but no sound escapes. My lips tremble. My heart feels as if it's shattering. She turns away, opens the door, and says, "Get out of my house. Never come back." I stand at the doorway, tears streaming down my face. Softly, I whisper, Leah, please. But she's already gone. My phone rings. It's my close friend Sophia, her voice sharp with anger. Maya, what did you do? Leah's in tears. Ethan says you tried to ruin their marriage, that you were the one in love with him? My chest tightens. The world stops. He's lying, I say through sobs. He sent me those messages. He followed me. I stayed silent because I was afraid. But Sophia doesn't respond. She hangs up. Now I'm completely alone. No one believes me, neither my best friend nor my sister. I lock myself away in my room. I don't eat, don't speak, skip my classes. Nights are spent crying, feeling small and broken. I stare into the mirror and whisper, did I do something wrong? But deep down I know the truth. I'm innocent. One restless night I sit up, wipe my tears and murmur, no more silence. I have proof. I have the truth. I gather every text Ethan ever sent, every I want you, every you're beautiful, and print them all, along with screenshots and photos of the flowers he left at my door. The next morning I dress carefully and take a steady breath. At the university office, I say, please, I need help. Ethan isn't who he pretends to be. Look at this. The staff members read the pages quietly. After a long pause, one woman says, this is serious. We will investigate. 2 days later, they call me back. We believe you. Thank you for speaking up. You are very brave. They contact Leah and show her everything. At first, she's silent. She reads each message, sees the photos. Her hands tremble, her face turns pale. He said she was lying, she whispers. He told me she wanted him. Oh God, I was wrong. I hurt my sister. Tears fill her eyes. Maya, I'm so sorry. I didn't believe you. I slapped you. I broke your heart. That night, Leah comes to my room, eyes red and tired, clutching my old teddy bear. Maya, she says, I found Ethan's old phone. I saw the messages. She sinks into a chair, crying. Please forgive me. I doubted you. I blamed you when it was him all along. I cry too, and she hugs me tightly. You're more than a sister. You're like my daughter. I love you. I hurt you, and I'm truly sorry. I love you too, Leah, I tell her. You raised me. Even with all he did, I could never feel that way about him. I will always stand with you. We both weep, hearts heavy but united. Leah files for divorce. In court, she faces Ethan and says, you have no shame. You tried to take my sister. You broke my heart. I could never stay with a man like you. You disgust me. Ethan stays silent, fear etched across his face. Leah's eyes glisten, but she turns and walks away without a glance back. Days pass, then weeks. Leah is truly happy now, and so am I. Together we are stronger. We live in peace, loving each other, never again letting anyone tear us apart. Sometimes the people we love most can wound us the deepest. The pain feels endless, as though your heart is in pieces. But remember, the truth always rises. You are not weak. You are not alone. Don't stay silent. Speak. Tell your story. Even if no one believes you at first, keep telling the truth. One day it will shine through and you will finally feel free. If this story touched you, please like the video, share it with someone who needs courage, and leave a comment. What would you do if you were Leah? And don't forget to subscribe for more stories.